This is Buddy. Oh, and Rascal. Buddy is the tawny, fawn-looking one. And he's here with his brother Rascal, who is a rascal right here. And they would like to find a home together. There's Rascal. Yeah, I'm shooting this through the bars. I don't normally do that, but every time I open this door, these two want to give me a big hug. Yes, they are so entertaining and loving. They just love people. You too would like to have a home together, wouldn't you? And my goodness, would you entertain people? Gotta find a home where you get lots of attention. You can see that you two need a home together, because I can't imagine one of you alone. I think you'd get bored pretty quickly. Oh, here comes Rascal. Hello, Rascal. There goes Buddy. Okay, we're going to switch the beds. We're going to switch roles here. Okay, Rascal, you get the nice fleece and those treats. And Buddy goes down to the bed there. Okay, where'd you go? There's Buddy. Buddy's tail. Bye-bye.